for this problem, let's point out what's different first. So first of all, they did not give us numbers to work with. They didn't just give us a certain number of degrees like we had in the last example. Last example, we had 32 degrees, 65 degrees, and we were just solving for that one missing piece. But now, instead of telling us a specific number of degrees, we just have x's, and then we have this little box. So we have to be a little more careful about how we set this up. Can someone give me an idea of what the equation would look like for this? What would I do to find out what x is going to be? In the last one, we added 32 plus 65 plus x equals 180. So who has an idea what's it going to look like for this one? It'll be similar, but something's going to be slightly different. Savannah?
90 plus 2x plus 4x equals 180.
Okay. So she's pointing out, first of all, that this little box in the corner is a right angle, which is 90 degrees. So we do actually know the number of degrees for this one. And then she's adding all three together, 90 plus 2x plus 4x, and understanding that this all is supposed to equal 180 degrees, so we have 180. There is another way that some people choose to set this problem up that is going to give you the exact same answer, but with fewer pieces to it. Robert?
6x plus 90?
So you're taking the next step of this, which is good. In this one, we're going to have to combine our like terms, which will give us a 6x. So it's going to give me 90 plus 6x equals 180. Yep. We will subtract the 90 on both sides. This will give me 6x equals 90 degrees. And the last step, which we've seen in a lot of these examples, is we divide by 6. So if I divide by 6, I get 6's cancel, x equals 90 divided by 6. What's 90 divided by 6? It's going to give me 15. The other way that some people set this up is they say if this is 90 degrees, some people are very quick to understand that 90 degrees is how much of 180? It's half of it, right? Half of 180 is 90. So some people say, well, if this is already 90, then I know I'm only looking for 90 more. So sometimes I see people say 2x plus 4x equals 90, and they cut out the right angle completely. They don't bother putting that as part of the equation. If you wanted to set it up that way, you could, but this is the way that we're going to be showing in any examples that we do together or any problems that I do from homework and things like that.